Hello, you are highly welcome to another interesting topic in this our channel. On this channel, we treat everything concerning poultry and livestock animals. We give you all the details, tips, and protocols on how to run your poultry and livestock business profitably, and also give you the in-depth knowledge on how to run organic poultry farming, natural poultry farming, so that you will not be spending much on medications. You convert that medication money into feed, at the same time maximizing your profit. Here, I was in the market few days ago to buy raw materials for the Eco Bio Booster. In fact, I discovered that the price of garlic and ginger has gone too high. So most of my videos on garlic, I have now decided to make more research on how to use the peas, which is a waste. In that same market, I discovered that they have a lot of waste from garlic. The garlic peas, you can see them here. This is garlic peel, you can see it. This is just the peel. It's not the garlic itself we are discussing here. Today we are discussing about the garlic peel. How you can use the garlic peel to transform your poultry. That thing you should have used garlic itself. Garlic is very costly. One mudu of garlic is 25,000 naira. I was there myself. This is not hearsay or they told me. No, I went to the market by myself. A mudu of ginger is 15,000 naira. In fact, just one seed of ginger now is about 1,000 naira, just one alone. So all these things are very costly. Even lime, lemon, they are all expensive now. 3 seeds of lime, 3 small seeds of lime is 200 naira. You can see how things are getting higher. So that is why I have inquired and made a lot of research now on the garlic peas. These are the waste that feed the whole market. You see them. This peel is just like the onions peel. You can see this the peel. You can go to the market, you see them. They are throwing it away. People pack them and they throw them away. They don't even know the usefulness. If you go there, they even greet you for packing this from them. They even thank you, sir, for packing this from us, because they pay money to market authorities, the cleaners, to clean this off. So we are making use of garlic peas. Do you want to know what garlic peas can do for you in poultry? This particular video is for you. Don't go away, please. This is the video you need to watch. How to use garlic peas to transform your poultry. Vet secrets organic farmers don't want to share. This is the topic. Please watch this video till the end. This is a video that you need, because I don't know how many people or how many farmers can afford a mudu of garlic. A mudu of garlic is less than 2 kg, just about 1 kg plus, and it's 25,000 naira. I don't know how many poultry farmers can buy garlic now to treat their poultry beds. So that will even revert most of you to synthetic, which we are running from because of the hazards from synthetic. What if the part of garlic you have been throwing away is actually the key to explosive poultry growth, stronger immunity, and zero vet bees, and total zero to synthetic medications? You are welcome to a farming game changer. Every poultry farmer wants and need in their poultry farming to maximize their profit. In this particular video, I will tell you that the garlic peas is even more important in poultry than the garlic itself. Relax, sit, relax like this, cross your leg, watch the video till the end so that you get all you need. Because garlic peel, you are not spending any money. Instead of you to spend, you can even go to the market and start to be packing it for people. So please, okay, my work is to pack garlic peas out and throw it out. They will even employ you and even pay you money, and at the you should pack the garlic to your house. Garlic peas, often discarded, they are gold mine. Gold mine, that you have a gold mine or oil well, a gold mine of natural nutrients and healing properties for poultry and livestock animals. In today's video, we will reveal how this underrated waste can become a powerhouse of your poultry organic farming, and set up a very good background for you to make profit and maximize your investment, backed up by research and proven on the farm results. I have tried it and I've used it, because I discovered this about a few weeks ago when I went to buy the raw materials for the by 2 of our EcoBio booster. So since then, I have been practicing it and I've been using it, and it has been working effectively. Here, I don't expose anything that I have not treated at all, anything I have not used. I must verify them in my own farm with my own chicken before I come out to teach you. So this guide will teach you how to turn garlic peas into powerful immune booster, disease fighter, and growth enhancer for your poultry, birds, and livestock animals, both feathered and four-legged animals. But before I go on with this popular topic, let me give you the nutritional properties of garlic peas in every 100 grams of it. 1, it has total polyphenols, 65 to 75 milligram. Flavonoid. All these are properties that help to treat and boost immunity of your poultry and livestock animals. Flavonoids, 32 to 40 milligram. It has selenium, 8 to 10 milligram. It has magnesium, 13 to 15 milligram. It has manganese, 1.3 to 1.5 milligram. It has calcium. You and me know the importance of calcium in poultry and livestock animals. 25 to 30 milligram. It has phosphorus, 200 to 230 milligram. It has sulfur compounds, very rich in sulfur compound, and it has been verified. It has vitamin C, 7 to 10 milligram. It has fiber, 5 to 6%. It has antioxidant properties, which is very rich and high in garlic peas. Garlic peas are loaded with antioxidant, flavonoid, and sulfur compounds that detoxify and enhance poultry performance, maximizes feed conversion and feed efficiency in poultry farming. What are the medicinal benefits of garlic peas in poultry and livestock? Let me give you only 10. Relax. 10 medicinal benefits of garlic peas in poultry and livestock. 1, it boosts immunity naturally without any antibiotics. The same thing, the garlic. I don't want to throw it. Please just blow this one. I don't want any single part of this garlic pea to go away because they are very expensive. They fight bacterial infections like Salmonella, E. coli, and many other bacterial infections. They improve respiratory health, CROD, in poultry farming. Detoxifies the liver and the kidney, that is internal organs of the poultry, and it clears it and make them safe and healthy to carry the birds along. It improves egg production and eggshell quality, and even the egg yolk also. It stimulates appetite for better weight gain. Remember, if you are clapping hands that your chickens are not eating, it means you are crying that they will not grow, because if they don't eat, they cannot grow, and if they don't grow, you can't make profit. So this garlic peas detoxifies the liver and clears the internal organs and improve egg production, as well as stimulate appetite to make them eat well. And as they're eating well, they convert the feed so that you get maximum weight and maximum height. Reduces intestinal worms and parasites. Won't compete with the feed and the nutrients in the feed. So once they are detoxified, remove completely from the system. In fact, this even garlic, I'm going to use this garlic pea to deworm my puppies here, my farm puppies here. Tomorrow you're going to see it. It prevents and treats coccidiosis naturally. Coccidiosis is one of the enemies of poultry farmers. So this garlic peas clears it completely. If your poultry is dropping red or foaming yellowish color droppings, apply garlic peas. Not garlic itself now. Garlic is too expensive. I know you have not gone to the market. I was in the market myself. In fact, I used trick to go away from the market, because when they told me the price, it was too high. And when imagine the quantity I need to buy for me to produce my EcoBio booster, I have to go back and withdraw money with my ATM card to come back in full force before I started talking like a man before the seller. So it is very costly now. We are buying bags even. We are talking about bags. Whereas a mudu alone is 25,000. Ginger, 15,000. So expect higher cost of our EcoBio booster. If you have mixed the batch 1, by 2 it's going to be expensive because everything has gone high. Garlic is there, ginger is there, turmeric is there, lime is there, lemon is there. All these things are there. Pineapple is there. There are many. There are too many to mention. Where am I starting? This garlic pea improves feed conversion ratio, FCR. So they eat little quantity and give you maximum result. So this one, you don't need to cry that my chicken are eating too much. They will be eating little, and that little will be giving the maximum result. Reduces poultry odor and ammonia in dropping. Many people have given testimonies that through our Eco Bio Booster, their poultry is now nice. Doesn't smell again. Their neighbor doesn't complain again. Many are sending messages. Messages are still flying into my groups, into my social media handles. In fact, I'm going to paste some of the messages in the next video that's loading tomorrow. So I'm going to see some of these messages, the testimonies of farmers using our Eco Bio Booster, because it is made up of garlic peas, garlic and ginger. It is made up of even onions, peas, and onions itself. So all this is neutralizes odor. You can't smell any odor, any foul odor in your poultry house. How do we prepare and apply garlic peas in poultry? You know, this is the cocoa of the whole story. You have to relax. So if you cross your leg before, now double cross your leg again, relax well and balance. If you have small drink, sip your drink so that you get this particular area. Collect dry garlic peas. Go to the market. They don't sell it. No. They don't sell it. They don't know the value. If they ask you what do you use it for, tell them that you want to use it. They want to use it to do experiment. Don't tell them what you want to use it for. Instead, it's going to, people will start selling it. When I introduced cassava peas, now people are buying cassava peas. They don't give it free again. If they are not selling, they know that you are making use of it. Remember, in those days, if you go to timber to pack sawdust, wood shavings, they will be calling you, come and pack. Now, wood shavings and sawdust are very costly because you have told them what you're using it for, and they know that you're making money from it. So now they have increased the bag of sawdust is now about 1,500, 5,000, 2,000. But before, they used to beg you, please come and pack mine, because it will occupy the whole space and feed the whole place. They will be begging you to come and pack it. Now, it's money. If you tell them what they're going to use the garlic peel and all these peas, they will start selling it. It's going to be expensive for us also. Please, don't tell them what you're using it for. Now, gather it in large quantity. Dry the garlic peas to ensure to make sure that nothing is there at all. No dirty, nothing, no ants, nothing will be inside. Then wash it thoroughly, rinse it and spray it on the sun. Let it dry very well. And make sure it is very clean, please. Reduce all the debris, and everything that is not garlic peel. Remove all of them. Now, put it in a very neat pot. Add 1 liter of clean water. Boil it very well. After boiling it 15 to 20 minutes, allow it to cool. You now use filter and sieve it. Sieve out the liquid and discard the trash. Store it in a cool, dry place or refrigerate it for up to 5 days. Now, get one meal of it. Add 1 liter of water. Dilute it properly. For maintenance of their health, give it to them. But if your birds are suffering from any infection at all, bacteria, fungi, parasite, or any of them at all, use 10 ml of that garlic peel juice. Use 10 ml of it and add to 1 liter of water. Serve to those birds. Within 3 days, serve them for 3 to 5 days. You're going to get amazing results. Wonderful results. You come back. I know most of you don't like testimonies. They don't like saying good things when good things are happening. Most people that are using Eco Bio Booster, things working perfectly well for them. Instead of to come to the comment section and say it's working for me, only one person have said that. Many people, all of them will come to my social media handles, my WhatsApp and other. Please, the thing is working powerfully well. I'm going to order more. Please, I'm ordering more next week. This week, I'm ordering more. Why not say this in the comments so that others will get encouraged and buy it and use it the same way you're using it, so that it will reduce the cost of running their poultry and farming. Because when you use our Eco Bio Booster, you don't buy dross any longer. Your poultry will be sound always. Every morning you go there, you'll be happy. Not that the one you go, you see them doing like this, bending head as if they are singing national anthem. No, it's no more any longer if you're using the Eco Bio Booster, because it's made up of all these natural plants. No synthetic, nothing like resistant. Because which one are they going to resist? I have more than 500 organic extracts in that Eco Bio Booster. If they resist one, they will not resist two. They will, before they resist 10, 100, 200, 300, the infection is already weak. They will now buy the infection itself. So you can see that's why it is very superb. Just like when you are going to war, you're going to war with 500 generals Tell me how they're going to defeat them. So that's why the Eco Bio Booster is very strong. Those of you that don't know the value, you think that it's a jar. Let me try. Please give me one. Let me try. So give me 1 mil. Give me 1 liter. If you have money, buy in large quantity and store, because it's not going to last too long. Very soon, I may even stop it, because the cost of materials is very going high every day. See, ginger now is 25,000 naira. I'm even threatened. I'm even afraid of producing the next batch, because when I tell you the price, most of you will not even buy. See, at 50k, some people are even dreaming. Some want to sell the father's land to go and buy it. Then when the thing goes to 80 or 90 or 100k, tell me what they're going to do. They're going to write letter to their Minister of Finance or state governor to come and buy it for them. So let us use all this one that we can pick free. As a picnic free, this one, I know this one will be easier for you. Garlic peel is what I treated today. Make sure you share this video, give it a thumb up, because I know you always like free things. This is free. This is free in the market. You can't pay money for it. Give it a thumb up, like, and drop your comment. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Most of you, those of you that don't like spending money, they didn't get this knowledge. Thank you for watching the video. And that video is loading in the next channel. Subscribe to that channel, and that video is on charcoal and lime. The preparation is already here. Let me show you how you're going to boost your poultry with only this. See, you can see this is charcoal and lime. Subscribe to that channel. This video is loaded. This is a cocoa of the whole video. How you're going to make use of it in poultry and livestock farming. What infections they're going to treat. How you can use it to boost and increase the quality of your feed. To activate the quality of your feed, that local feed you're using, how you're going to use to activate it, so the chicken will eat them and it clears everything in the system. How you're going to boost the immunity and at the same time clear every infections, bacterial, viral, fungal, and others. This is what this is going to teach you. Make sure you subscribe to that channel. It's loading very soon. Don't go away. Peas are no longer waste. They are natural health solutions that can revolutionize your poultry and livestock business. Say goodbye to expensive antibiotics and hello to organic growth, immunity, and profit. Start using this simple farm secret and witness your best transform from zero to naturally fully fortified poultry beds with maximum results. Thank you. Till the next video is uploaded. For now, I say bye.